Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll explain you how to set up a simple Express.js from scratch. If you're new to backend or just starting with Node.js, the tutorial is perfect for you. By the end of this video, you will have a working web server and know how to create basic routes. So let's get started. Before we begin, there are a couple of things you will need. First, make sure you have Node.js installed and you need a code editor like VS Code. If you are unsure how to do that, check out my videos on Node.js installation tutorial and VS Code installation tutorial. And finally, some basic knowledge of JavaScript will be helpful, but not necessary. So let's dive into it. First of all, what we need to do is we have to create a folder. So I'm gonna create a folder. I'm gonna name it as Express Server, and I'm gonna open it. And I'm gonna open it with Visual Studio Code. Next, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open a terminal. Click on this toggle panel, or you can go with like terminal and new terminal. And here what you have to do is just type npm init space -y. So this will create a package.json file. Don't worry about the details of the file now. It just keeps tracks of our project dependencies. Next, now let's install Express.js, which is a lightweight framework for building web server. For that, go to the same terminal here and type npm install express. Now it will take time. Yeah. Now if you observe here, there is a dependencies added as express and its version is shown here in the package.json file. Now it's time to write some code. First, I'm going to create a file called server.js. Server.js. You can create anything with any name. And next, I'm going to write a code. So first what we are doing is we are going to import the express. Import just express from express. So it's gonna import the express. Next, what I'm gonna create is I'm gonna create an app instance now. How we can do is const app is equals to express of. So it's gonna create an app instance. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna define some simple route for the URL. So what for that what we have to do is app dot get of and the route. Next what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give request and response. This will what this will do is it's gonna just respond with. Now after this we have to start the server in a port. For that I'm gonna define a port. I'm gonna define const port is equals to 3000. You can change the port as you wish. Next, next to run our server we have to go for the terminal and you have to type node server.js. Server.js is the file name what we are using, and enter. Sorry guys, I didn't save the file, so it didn't give anything. See, now what it's showing is server is running on localhost 3000. If I open the localhost 3000, it's gonna give hello express. Now, congratulations, your first express is up and running. Now, let's take it a step further by adding another route. We have to go for the server.js again, and we have to add another route here. Same what we did for the slash app dot get off. I'm gonna write it as a about. This is about page. Now, if I say, and if I go for the about page, we will get about cannot be filled because we have to run the server again. For that, just press Ctrl C and type node server.js again. It will be running. Now, if I refresh, see this is the about page. That's how it is easy to add routes with Express. So in this video, we learn how to install Express.js, create a basic web server, and add multiple routes. Express is a powerful framework, and this is just the beginning. From here, you can explore middleware, build REST APIs, or even create a full stack application. Also, if you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any query, feel free to drop them in the comments. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.